How to upload a shirt on Roblox for free. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to upload your own shirt for Roblox. So what you need to do is open your browser and go to roblox.com and log in into your account. What you can do here is that you can click on the three bars menu on the upper right corner and go to avatar. That's on the left side panel, and there you just need to go along with the recent characters, accessories, etc. You just need to click on clothing, but let me change the style first to make sure that all the texts are visible. And here, as you can see on the bar options, click on clothing or hover on clothing and go under tops and click on t-shirts. From here, as you can see, these options are currently to purchase or no items that I have here first on my account. So what you need to do is click on create. That's below the word animations. Click on that. When you click on it, you will be routed into the creator studio where you will be creating the item. You just click on avatar items and click on upload assets under t-shirts. From here, as you can see, under t-shirt as the asset type, we just need to click on upload, and then we will be uploading the type of design that we want our t-shirt to be in. I'll choose this one, and then you can either change the name and add a description, but for me I'll just leave it as is and click on upload. Once I will click on upload, I will just wait for it to fully load. And later on, we will be using this as one of our avatars t-shirt. Here, you can see that we are on the avatar editor and the image that we've uploaded is now available. We just click on it. And then as you can see on the avatar that's on the left side of the screen is now wearing the design of the t-shirt that we've just uploaded. And that's how you do it. That's how you will upload your t-shirt on Roblox for free. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.